Let me show you how to install Downlight spotlights in drywall ceiling. First, for your lights, you most probably will need to install the clips. So to install the clips, this is what you do. Simply release this part from the spring, positioned as I'm showing you, and insert first on this right side here. So you see, just like this, and then simply push it, squeeze it together, and you see the spring pops in, and also insert this inside. So let's check that once more up close. So again, remove this first, like this, push it on, and again squeeze it together to get the spring on the other arm as well, and then replace it like that. And then to install it, what you will have to do is, basically, you see, you can actually tension these springs like this, so it takes quite a lot of force. So you would simply tension like this, and then simply insert inside the hole. First I'm going to connect the lights here, and then again, so you want to basically take these springs here, just like this, and tension them. So, like this. So you see, and then you simply insert it here, and here, and simply release. So you see it snaps into that place. If you want to remove it, so again simply like take your fingers here, find where you have the spring, put some tension on it, you see it releases, and again you can take all the other one. If you have a thick light like this, I see I probably do not even need to tension this first one, so I can simply insert it directly here, position like this, and only then tension this second one here, and you see, job done.